Hey guys, welcome to Codecrash. So this is going to be a very short video. In this video, I will be talking about how do you use Figma in the dark mode. So in this year, Figma has come up with the latest option to change the mode of the Figma. So how do you do that? And trust me, guys, this mode looks really cool. And the way you do it is you go to the main menu of the Figma and then go to the preferences, because of course it's a preference. Choosing a theme is a preference, and under the preferences, as you can already see, there is an option named theme, and currently it's a system theme. So let me discuss with you what are these light, dark, and system themes. What are these three options? So let me just go to the dark and you see how it changed, and that looks pretty cool. And the Figma has done a pretty good work, I would say, to make this dark mode. Earlier it wasn't available, but now it's available and makes work really awesome, I would say. So what were these three options? So let me go back again, and in preferences, so there are three options: light, dark, and system theme. So dark mode converts to the dark theme, right? And light mode converts to the light theme. Okay, these two options are like pretty normal. But the third option, which is the system theme. So what is a system theme? The system theme, now in case if you have a Windows machine or an Apple machine, but if your current system theme is a light mode, so the Figma will automatically show it in its light mode. But if your system theme, which is a Windows theme, or it can be Linux theme, or it can be a Apple theme, Mac OS theme, so if it's in a dark mode, then the Figma will automatically be shown in the dark mode. So that's what it does. So thank you guys. It was a short video as I promised, and I hope you understood. So like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want me to do any particular video for you, I'm pretty open to it. Just let me know in the comment section, and I will do one for you. It's important for everyone to watch. So thank you and bye. And I really love you, and trust me on that, guys. Bye.